Shall we fire it?
Oh! There's so many things that could be right now. Don't fucking stab me now. I'm out!
Let's see what she does.
Holy. Well, it runs.
Yeah, knocks a little. There's no oil pressure gauge or anything on these.
No, eh?
No. It's knocky.
Well, it starts though, but
Yeah. She's knocky. Smokes a bit.
we'll start without
Yeah, see?
Where's that knock coming from though?
Sounds like the fucking bottom end a little bit.
She hasn't ran in what, 15 years?
Yeah, about that.
It's pretty impressive though. I mean, for not running and
Not running in 15 years.
didn't take much. It might be an injector knock though, or
I don't
just
know.
some more bottom endy.
Do the old school listening with a cool stick.
I thought we were gonna be more excited. I thought we were going to, you know, try with this for a little longer to actually get her going. But
I know. It's a Cadillac, man. They just start. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, keep cranking. Keep cranking, sucker. And
sounds more top endy to me.
sounds like a valve. Yeah, this back corner.
Is it? Well, let's pop that valve cover off and take a look. I mean, and it's also what, 15-year-old fuel in there?
Or longer, who knows?
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, it's the side was tight, full of valve.
Yeah, I know.
It's been missing a breather for a while too. There's a bunch of shit in through that breather hole.
Yeah, it could just be full of dirt in there,
Yeah,
right?
valve lash or something could be off. It's making a tick. Because it doesn't sound bottom end.
No, it sounds way louder up here than a bottom end would usually sound, so.
Yeah.
I'm just stoked it turns over and it runs.
Oh,
like.
yeah. Oh, yeah. 15 years of sitting in a pasture. I don't like that. It's gritty. The oil is gritty.
You can drain the oil out too, and you got oil here to top it up, or?
Like, I got fresh used oil. I know that's a little backwards, but
Yeah.
like the intake was just set loosely on there.
Could be a stuck valve too or something,
Yeah,
right? But
something stupid easy. The fender on that car is almost halfway off.
yeah, I've pulled the fender off.
Yeah, and it's just the liner. It's like 2 more bolts and the liner's off.
All right, after all that, there's the valve cover.
Oh yeah, she's a little crummy in there.
A little bit, yeah.
They tight?
There doesn't really seem to be any major issues. There is oil in there, so obviously it's...
Picked up oil,
Yeah.
brought it up.
Does it stick? Yes.
That one sticks.
That could be the source of the knock right there. We want to start it and see that lifter pops free, or?
Don't need to throw some oil in it.
Mm.
It's a little thinner than what the car actually calls for, but I don't think it'll hurt any.
Gently used. Okay, hopefully we don't get sprayed with too much oil.
Yeah,
Sounds way better. The knock is gone.
Yeah, leave right up. Sit here running.
Damn lifter knocks, eh?
Yeah. Hey, she runs good.
Fucking race.
Yeah, that's exhaust though, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're blocking that off.
Wow. That's all it took.
Yeah, that's it.
Now the fun can begin.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a one wire on the back of that. There you go. Ah, look at the mice.
Call this thing Mickey Mouse.
The Mickey Mouse Project, yeah.
I have no clue what the firing order is on this thing. Cadillac 425. Oh, that's live.
I forgot the battery's still hooked up. What wires are live, what wires aren't.
Yeah. Hey, that's not live. That's live. Put those together. I almost tempted to put the alternator on this. Because like it wasn't, like the belt wasn't turning. Oh yeah, this pump's seized.
Oh yeah, she's going.
I don't, this car must be low mile.
There's nothing seized on it. That's
Nothing at all.
Is that pipe thread or?
That's f***ing pipe thread.
Yeah, let's get a phone for it.
Yeah, just... Move this propane bottle before we explode. It ain't freaking pretty, but there's a block off port. Look at us being all semi-professional with block off ports and shit.
I know. Well, which bolt goes burn out?
Yeah, there goes the bolt bin. Uh-oh. Belt's on a dirty angle. Is it? Oh, yeah.
We swap pulleys or?
The harmonic balancer's big. The water pump looks the same.
Yeah, we just pop off this bottom pulley, put a dual on the bottom. If you go from down below and just see if you can pop it off.
Bolt the other one in.
Yeah, and just suck it in with the bolts.
Yeah.
It isn't ideal, but.
Actually, pass me the Sawzall for a second. Sawzall is the best tool for randomness. There. All the room. 1, 2, skip a few. 99, 100. No.
Oh, we're hitting this. That's what it is.
Every bolt's loose will move. It's still tight.
It's all the way in.
Yeah. I think it's just got too small of a belt on it.
There it goes.
Okay.
Oh, those just clear.
Hmm?
These two, do they hit though?
No, I don't think so.
How are you gonna get the belt?
We'll pull the fan and put the other pulley on it.
Is it smaller? Must be.
See if I can beat the fucking fan off now. And not put a hole in the rad. Did I put a hole in the rad?
I don't hear pulley.
Oh, now I get this pulley off. It's not just the water pump shaft I'm with.
No, I can see it moving there.
Oh, there we go. They're smaller.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'll take it. Okay, yep. Perfect.
Come on. What are we hitting? We're hitting that too. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
You good? Pinch your finger?
A little bit.
Alright.
Nothing, a little bit of blood won't hurt you.
Yeah. Pull
Yeah, pull and then I can.
Oh. Better not be any belt slippage with this tightness.
Yeah.
Take our live wire and our exciter. And where's the nut for that now?
Little copper nut. So you leave out, you know where it is.
Yeah,
When you clean up, like,
put it away. You're like, what the
distributor's all lined back up. Everything's tight down there. We got belts that all fit.
Yeah. Shall we fire it? Let's try firing it. If it spits fire again, just keep cranking and sucker in.
Distributor all good still, or?
Should be. Oh yeah, yeah. No, we unplugged the distributor hotline. Alright, try it now.
There's no key in it.
Really? Yeah, on the dash. Our knock's back.
What is that? Lifter stuck again.
I swear to
Yeah, no key. The fact that it went away,
and came back.
I bet she's just stuck again. Well, we just got her all back together. Unfortunately, our infamous knock is back. That valve is stuck. So I'm gonna take the Velcro back off, try and free up valve there.
They all moved?
Yeah.
Maybe we put some gas in her. Just see what she does.
Ugh. Dirt was.
Did you hear it when it fired? It knocked a bit?
Yeah.
I guess Doug was right, it did knock.
But the fact the knock went away though.
Oh, I know. It went away and it came back.
I don't understand that. There we go. It's gone though, it's not knocking.
Yeah. Oh, it's knocking.
Is it? Well, shut the truck off.
Still knocking.
Yeah, it's not as bad, but it is. Are those lifters though coming back up?
Yeah, they're all running. It's gotta knock once you rev it. Crank it. Yeah, something ain't kosher. For it to backfire like that. That's not loose. Because the cap was off when I got the car.
I wonder, next step is to put some fuel in it and then see if that knock goes away. But you think it'd be all injectors gonna be knocking, but
The whole engine could just be f***ing knocking right now. We're thinking it's isolated to that side.
Oh, there's air in there.
Yeah. Fuel. Maybe turn the key. I'll hold the bleeder down. That's it. Drained. Just puking air.
I bet you were
It's out of fuel.
it.
Yep.
Get some red fuel and keep going until she turns red. That's 5/8 of a tank. Oh, it sounds different.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually pumping.
Still just spitting out though. Now we got fuel pressure. Don't quite have died yet, but we're getting close. Alright.
Let that dry for a minute.
Yeah. Now it's full of air. Like those injectors won't run off that. Well, let's just try it without feeding it anytime. How's our fuel? Cherry flavored.
Yeah.
That's cherry fuel. I honestly wonder if we put the valve cover back on.
It sounds better though. Like it was louder earlier.
Still knocking.
It's still knocking, but it's not near as loud. Yeah, it's hot. I did the same thing.
Need water? Why don't you just let it run and see what it does?
Put her in drive, see what it does. That's louder now, yeah. That's a different knock now. I can see it.
Right there.
Woo. I don't know what those loud snapping noises were.
I don't know the loud popping noises were either.
Oh,
What?
we blew something out here. Oh, that's just the coolant.
Okay. I'm like, did I blow up another one? That was scam.
It's got a lope to it, yeah.
First time you saw a big block real cool, eh?
Our belt got all f***ed up here.
Oh.
It's just flipped over.
I wonder if that's what snapping noises were.
Probably the belt, yeah. Well, gave her a little too much juice. Belt came off. Cracked the water pump housing there. Oh, it's fire! There's fire coming out of there.
Hey, you want to hold the key for me while I start it?
Yeah. Ah, she's still puking out.
Runs better though. Let's run it right rich. Like
Must be the
guys,
injector stuck open.
has to be. No change. No change. I wonder if that's.
There's so many things that could be right now. No knock.
What?
There's no knock.
No smokes.
There's no knock.
No smokes.
There's no knock.
Drink my it's a rear rock knock. There's no knock.
I'm so confused right now.
What the
Holy shit. But it's a rolling knock now. It's so different. We're puking out. She's hot.
She's warm.
Oh,
Yeah, she's warm.
she's boiling.
Yeah. Tight.
All right, well, we found the culprit.
Freaking cracked flex plate.
Who would have thought?
Someone's done the remainder of this thing before. It's full RTV.
Well, maybe they broke the flex plate while they're at it.
Yeah. Isn't that something? I was walking around it earlier and I fired it up and standing on that side, I'm like, that side's cold. And like, it's hot now, you don't dare to touch it. But like, I was sitting there like, this side's cold, like I don't feel heat. And I'm like, do I touch it? Do I touch it? I touched the hot thing and it turns out it was cold.
Well, I mean, it was running pretty good for only 4 cylinders. And why she's smoked like the old Mac.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's put some tranny fluid in there and see if she'll drive for us.
I don't know how much it's going to take, but...
Think it'd be a 1-tire fire? What do you think she's gonna do?
It's gonna smoke both of them.
Thinks both?
Yeah.
I'm only betting one, so.
I think it's gonna start and run great because we put used plugs in it, like the Nova Scotian tune-up. 2 burnouts.
2 burnouts?
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna do burnouts.
Bet you on that one. Well, 1-tire fire.
No.
See you, girl.
No. Before we try to do a burnout, we should probably check the brakes. Oh yeah. Rear reservoir's bone dry. Popper rate. Full.
There's all your paint with all that spilt brake fluid.
What paint? There's no sheet metal on the car.
Sounds good. Well, we got reverse. Moment of truth. Oh, did you do little brakes down here or what? It's go-kart.
They're all the way to the floor though.
That's all you got, eh?
It must have pausing.
It does, yeah. You got both tires going here.
Healthier.
Way healthier.
Shall we take the go-kart for a spin?
Do a little fucking burn here. Oh! You blew the air cleaner off.
She backfired.
Oh, she's not happy. They just got hot again.
Yeah, I think so.
One more go. Maiden voyage time at night.
That's major boys.
You have to.
We got some lights, so
Lights, no? Just go-kart things.
just go-kart things. Oh, that's droney. That's droney.
Is your tailpipe in a drag? It's cut off. Just pull bolt it out of the car. I mean, it drives.
It drives. Like a pencil, not bad.
You got power steering and all?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we got power steering wheel, son. Sharper than the built-in.
Oh. No. Turn over, my child.
Oh, Jesus. Well, it's a test drive.
Yeah, well, almost made it back.
That's like how most test drives end. Alternator is not charging.
Not yeah.
Not at all. Should we go to the road kill standards now where it's about 5 miles to the battery?
Roll! Keep rolling!
We literally need 40 feet.
Oh. Why are you gonna be 8 tons?
Oh.
Oh, we found a small pebble.
You want to throw it in park?